Assalamu alaikum. Tonight's name is Az-Zaahir. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Az-Zaahir. Az-Zaahir means that Allah is the most apparent, the most obvious. Now that's a really interesting name. It might be kind of surprising. When we think about obvious things, we think maybe, okay, the sky is blue. We think that the earth is solid, that mountains are tall, that trees are hard. These sorts of obvious things that nobody can contradict, nobody can argue, nobody can debate. And if they would try to debate it, you'd look at them like they were kind of joking around. Allah is telling us by His name Az-Zaahir that Allah Himself is more apparent and obvious than all of that. Not in the sense that we can see Allah physically like we can see a tree or we can see a mountain, but that we can see Allah's handiwork, we can see Allah's activity. We see this entire creation, how complex and complicated but beautiful and organized it is. That one set of rules, gravity and all these other things, one set of rules governs everything. This shows us that Allah is the most apparent thing of all, that none of this could have possibly existed without a creator. Imagine if you were walking down the sidewalk one day and you found a watch. You would never in a million years wonder, I wonder how this watch came to be. Maybe all the metal pieces just randomly fit together. That would be very, very silly to think that. When you see a watch, you know that at some point somebody had to make that watch. It's so beautiful, it's so complex, it's so intricate, everything fits together perfectly and it works. It serves a function, it serves a purpose. The creation is the same. We look at the creation and we see how everything is perfectly balanced. And we have to conclude that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a singular, intelligent will, is behind all of it. That makes Allah Az-Zaahir, the most apparent. And that's all for tonight. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.